Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious white sauce Yippee noodles using an easy method. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients that you likely already have in your kitchen. This quick recipe is perfect for a satisfying meal in about 15 minutes. Get ready to transform your ordinary noodles into a creamy, delightful dish that everyone will love. Let's get cooking. First, let's get those Yippee noodles cooking. Just follow the instructions on the packet, usually boiling them for about 3 minutes, then drain them well and set them aside. While they are resting, grab a small saucepan and melt 2 tablespoons of butter over a gentle, medium heat. Once the butter is fully melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to form a smooth, golden roux. Now for the magic. Slowly pour in 1 cup of milk into your roux, whisking continuously to ensure there are absolutely no lumps. Keep stirring and cooking over medium heat until your sauce reaches a lovely, thick consistency. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Finally, season your creamy white sauce with a small pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper for perfect flavor. Almost done, gently add your perfectly cooked Yippee noodles into that rich, creamy white sauce. Give it a good stir to make sure every strand is coated. For an extra touch of deliciousness, fold in about 1/4 cup of grated cheese, like cheddar or mozzarella, until it's completely melted and smooth. Serve your amazing white sauce Yippee noodles immediately and savor every single bite. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.